I'm not gonna point the fingers here, but someone obviously tried to put a USB thumb drive in here and it didn't went right. Hi guys, today I will be, basically replacing a USB socket in here with another one. I have one here from the broken power bank. It was a little power bank. I think I did something with it, or put too much voltage over here, or shorted it out, and it basically burned the little integrated circuit. So that's why the axis on the USB here. But let's take this. This is a transmitter with a USB support, and just a simple card transmitter that displays the song and so on with a remote. So let me just open it and let's take a look inside. Okay, so it's not as bad as I expected. It just is flipped on its side, so I don't think I will have to do anything apart from gluing this back on the board. The tracks aren't ripped, but in case you will have a ripped track anywhere in your devices, what you probably want to do is scrape the outer layer and simply start soldering on it, and you should be able to solder something like, let me show you. I often use for a ripped track something like a headphone, the little headphone cable, because it's the same exact width, and I first use a bit of solder to tin it, and then I cut it to make the little place that I will solder as small as possible, and it's really easy to do something like that. So let's glue this back in and take a look then. Okay, so I cut a little part of a hot glue and we'll put it down here. Then I will use a lighter, because this can be used as a directional lighter, as you can see. I will melt the glue below the connector. Let's do this for a while. Shouldn't just do this delicately so you won't be burning anything apart from the glue, because the glue should change its it should become become sticky around 100 degrees, 120 degrees, something like that. Let's wait for a moment for it to cool off. Just don't touch the outer case of the connector, because it will be pretty hot right now because of the lighter. Okay, so it's more or less settled right now. It went from over from the on this side. There's a little bit glue over here, but it doesn't matter really for me. And what I also want to do is put a bit of solder on the connector so it will hold directly to the board. We shall see about it, how this will go. Okay, so just like the hot glue likes to do, it snapped again. So let me retry this. Okay, so I had simply to wait a little bit longer, and the glue also went into the connector, so it now sticks a bit better. Let's try the sides and solder the connector directly to the board. Okay, so let me scrape a little bit, so there will be an actual place where the solder can come in, because I have a kind of feeling that this is a dry solder joint over under the connector itself. Let's see, and now from this side I will be putting this solder from the front well, from this side basically. And well, let's try this. This is again not really a soldering iron for this purpose, but it will have to do. There are blobs in the places where I scraped, so presumably it actually connected the casing to the board. So I think I'm basically done. Let me just put this back together. That's basically how you would go around to fix the ripped connector. In this case, I didn't have to solder anything else, so this basically goes unused for now, and all I used was basically the bit of hot glue and the solder, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.